Guys, I just found a new app. This app you are seeing right here, where you can be performing simple tasks online and be making some money for yourself. Yes, you can be doing some simple tasks on this app you are seeing right here and be making some little money for yourself every day as a pocket money. In fact, if you are doing the task always, you'll be earning money for yourself. And the type of task you can be doing in this platform are like answering surveys question, doing some simple offers. In fact, you can also play some little games and be making money for yourself. And all these things can be done at the comfort of your home with your smartphone. And you don't need anything like capital or investment, or you don't need to add any money or anything like adding money to the app before you make money. Everything is free. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can install this application on your phone, and also how you can get started and start doing some simple tasks online with this app and be making some little money for yourself. So if that's also interesting to you, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can use this app and be making some little money for yourself every day. Let's get started. Now let's get started. And to get started, when you click on the link, it will be an interface like this. It will bring you to an interface like this where you register. And to register, all you have to do is to click on this box that I am not a robot, and you see it say register and get 0.3 cent. That means if you register, they are going to give you 0.3 cent. Now all you have to do is to put your email address and your password, and you click on register. Now let me register a new account and show you guys how this works. Now I just successfully registered a new account right now. Now after registered the account, as you can see my balance here, I was given 0.3 cent, just the way they promised. So make sure you use my referral link so that you also receive this 0.3 cent. Now when you come to the interface of the app, you are going to see different type of earnings here. As you can see, earn with offer wars. These are some of the offer wars which you can be doing, and you'll be making some money from this app. As you can see, they have a lot of offer wars which you can be doing and you'll be making. All you just have to do is just click on it, and when you click on the first one, maybe you want to try the first one, when you click on it, it will bring you to an interface like this where you are going to start doing the offer wars. And after you can complete the offer wars, you are going to make some money for yourself. As you can see, say verification for the agency, so it has verified. All you just have to do is just to click on continue, and you start doing the offer wars. So there are a lot of offer wars here which you can be doing and you'll be earning money. When you click on, you come down here, you're also going to see some apps. As you can see, any offers here. As you can see, there are any offers here, which where you can also be playing games. You can be playing games here and you'll be making money here. Now as you can see, all you just have to do is just to tap on your phone. You tap on your phone so that it will give you application for your phones. These all application you are seeing here can be installed on your phone, and if you can be able to play those games, you'll be earning some money for yourself. As you can see, you say games here. For the first game here, when you click on it, all you just have to do is just to install this application. As you can see, say register and collect up to 200,000 coin, and this 200,000 coin is equivalent to $240. So if you can install this application on your phone and play the game, you'll be earning some money for yourself. So as you can see, they have a lot of different type of games which you can install the app on your phone, and you'll be playing the game and you'll be making some money for yourself. This app have a lot of ways which you can help be making money. You can make money by playing games. You can make money by performing simple survey questions, simple survey tasks, just such like offer wars. Now you can click on games here. As you can see, you can also click on games. You can click on casino games. If you would like casino games, you click on casino games, and you are going to see casino games which you can be playing and you'll be making money for yourself. Now when you click on earn here, it's going to take you to an interface where you are going to see different type of things you'll be doing. When you click on my offers here, this is where you are going to see offers that you have performed so far. As you can see, Telegram app, you just click on it. As you can see, community chat, you can also join the community chat, amount, and your status. Now when you click on cash out here, this is where you are going to withdraw your money. If you have made a lot of money in this app and you want to withdraw, this is where you are going to withdraw your money. And to withdraw, you can withdraw through Litecoin, you can withdraw through Bitcoin, you can withdraw through USDT, that is BP20. You can use your Bybit, Binance, or any cryptocurrency wallet. You can use withdraw. You can also withdraw through Ethereum. You can also withdraw through Dogecoin. You can also withdraw through PayPal. So if you have PayPal account, you can also withdraw with it. And if you don't have PayPal and you need a PayPal account, you let me know in the comment section of this video. I have a video which I've made and show you guys how you can create a successful verified working PayPal account which you can use to withdraw money or deposit money. So you can use that PayPal account to withdraw money in any country you are in the world. So if you need the video, you let me know in the comment section of this video and I'm going to send you the video so that you can watch the video and see how you are going to create your own PayPal account. So after you have your own payment method, you just put the amount you want to withdraw here. As you can see, then you click on send and you can withdraw your money. After you have been withdraw your money, you are going to see your history here. This place is still empty and that is because I just create this account to show you guys how this platform work. As you can see, withdraw fee. Anytime you withdraw, they are going to charge you 5% for any amount you withdraw in this website. Now, when you click on your profile here, this is where you are going to see all your profile, your money you have in your account and earnings and everything. This is where you are going to see it, and this is where you are also going to see your affiliate link which you can copy and invite people to this app. And when you invite people, you are also going to be making some extra commission for inviting people. So when you click on earn here, this is where you are going to be seeing your offers which you can be doing and you'll be making money. Now as you can see all the offers here which you can be doing and you'll be earning some money for yourself every day. So if you are using laptop or iPhone or Android, you can participate on any of their app and you'll be making money from it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.